Hey guys, bought some new American padlocks. These turned up, the 1105 series, and they're the new Edge variety that they've brought out, new product line. These are the ones with the restricted keyways, very tight keyway, it snakes quite a bit as well. These are the new keys that come with them. That's the bitting for this lock. They've got these weird dimples in as well. All works fine, brand new. There's nothing weird going on with this lock. There's no added security really, apart from the restricted keyway for your single pin picking. Apparently they've got some kind of bump stop pin in it, I think they're calling it, to stop people bumping the locks open. But like I said, the only thing that's making your job any harder single pin picking these is the keyway. But here in the UK most of the locks have got tight keyways anyway, so it's makes no never mind really. Right. There you go, single pin picked. Now they are just as easy to pick as the original ones, but yeah, nice pick. Cheers lads.